What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen won't turn on issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold on the power button for at least 20 to 25 seconds, and after that it will show a logo on the screen. So when you will see a logo on your screen, you can release the key. So after the logo appears on the screen, your screen will be turned on. But after turning on your screen, to fix the issue permanently, open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now tap on this three dot more option and then tap on other settings, and then tap on reset app preferences. Now here tap on reset apps. So when you will tap on this reset apps option here, it will reset app preferences for all of the apps, and after resetting the app preferences it will help you to fix the screen won't turn on issue. So that's how you can fix screen won't turn on issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.